God. Oh my God. Hey guys, Stephen Apple from My Fort Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. Today's the 21st of January 2023, and certainly 21 days after the new year. Time is flying by so fast. And of course, as time flies by, we are moving into the new era of cryptocurrencies. Of course, cryptocurrency, if we take reference from Bitcoin, Bitcoin has reached its highest around about 64,000 US about a year ago or so. And of course, cryptocurrency is coming back, and already Bitcoin is $22,000, I think it is today, and that's a sign of things to come. Cryptocurrency, it's going to show the world one of probably the best rebounds of the century of the stock market. Now, Bitcoin is taking the lead, and of course, all other coins tends to tag along, and they are making absolutely phenomenal movements right now. Now, I'm using, this is just another trading platform or exchange you can use. It's called crypto.com. You will have a link down the bottom to join, but I wanted to show you some of the simple processes you can use today to buy coins when they're on the move. And I'm using crypto.com because it seems to be pretty simple. I use other websites also, the exchange, and I'll make a video on those as time goes by. But this particular app, crypto.com, now all you need to do, join, and you get a thing of $25 free starting bonus for you there. And every day you come in, and let's go through with it. You get some, you claim some diamond. Here we go. Now let's go in through the system. Now, firstly, you're going to be linking into my link. And we'll come through this process here that I'm just showing you. Go through my link, join, and you'll be joining this website. Pretty good. Now, crypto.com has got a few functions there that I'm going to show you how to use so you can pick fast moving coins within a day. And this is sort of day trading sort of process. And you only got to go through what the app shows you. You don't have to think about it. Just look at it, take the highest gain for the day, and buy it within the app, within crypto.com. So preferably, I suggest $500, or if you don't have any money that much, just throw in $100 into the account, transfer it from your bank directly into crypto.com. And if you have a little bit more money, up to $1,000, do so. And this is all you got to do. Just come in, bring your money in, and buy any coin you wish. But also sort of double check with the chart that you're not buying a coin at the highest price. Always tend to buy a coin at a lower price, meaning you're buying at the valley, or what it's called support line. You don't want to buy it at the resistance line, meaning the highest peak. You want to buy at the lowest peak. So you just choose a coin just to bring your money in. Once the money is in the app, that's what you can. This is the magic where I'm going to show you. Okay, now down the bottom of the app, you will have home, account, track, and card. Now the two buttons that we're going to use today is just home and account. Okay, this is account and this is home. Once you come in, and you probably already purchased some coin, for example, your coins will be listed within the app. Now, once you join, all you have to do is say deposit, make a deposit, and you go through the process of depositing whatever, or you buy. Deposit is very similar, whether you just deposit the cash into crypto.com, or you can buy any of these coins. You just want it in the app. While it's in the app, you can do a lot of adjustment and shift the coins, or swap the coins for whichever one that you prefer. Okay, now you just want the money. You just want the money where it says up the top there, total, where I got mine 188.71 cents. Now, once it's up there, and you got your portfolio, for example, if it's not in the portfolio, it could be in the fiat wallet. Fiat wallet means cash. Wherever it's showing, it doesn't matter. The principle is it's like a bank account. Once it's in there, then you can shift this money now to wherever you wish. And this is the key pointer that I want to talk to you about in this video. Now, let's go back to home. Now, just imagine you got some money in your fiat account here. Okay, just imagine, because you transferred it from your bank into here. Oh, sorry. If you got the cash in here, that's good. So down the bottom, click on the button, home. Okay, now this is the magic that I want you to see. Down on the home button, this is the app will bring up the page. Now, if you scroll up, you see what it's called top gainers. Okay, top gainers are the movers for the day. Now, that's the selection that you can pick from and buy on that day. It might last a week. But if you see here, some of them are quite phenomenal in their movement. And if you look at the top, you see Crypterium or CRPT at 82.25%. Now, you can pick that one just to buy it. And you're using the app's recommendation of what the market is doing. You're not going to follow anything else. You're just following what it's offered. So I'm going to pick the highest performance up the top there, for example. Click on it, and we'll bring you up to its wallet. Once you're in here, you can buy. You can buy this particular cryptocurrency coin just by going through and setting up all the details on it. If you have fiat, you just buy it within these buttons. It would have a wallet in there for you. If you don't, you can use Google Pay, or you can go directly to your bank account if you want to, whichever method you want to buy. Now, just say you got money in the wallet. All you have to do is go through and change these numbers, as I'm changing now. Just say, for example, you want to buy $100 worth. All you have to do is click on the actual number. That will bring up the face, or the new number anyway. It allows you to, it brings up the keyboard, allows you to change the number. So just say, for example, you want to buy $100 off it. Put 100 there. We'll give you down the bottom there. I'm going to change this over. 295.79 shares of, or say, of this particular coin. Now, once that's done, then you click down the bottom. Or if I don't have enough money, so it's not going to show the blue button to go through and purchase your coin. Now, what's the point? The point is pretty simple. Let's go back. This is the key element that I want to show, because this changes every day. And whatever the market movers are, or the top gainers, will show up on here depending how Crypto.com manages this app. All you're going to do is you buy these and load them up onto your, what it's called, your wallet. Now I'm going to show you my wallet. It's got $190 in there at the moment, with these coins that I already purchased. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 6 coins in there, and I want to be able to build this up. It's to a number like, say, 30 coins that I have in here, and trade them, or learn to manage to use each one to generate as much money as you can. Now, just for example, now if we look at the highest gain I got here, let's click on it. It's Crypt. Now, I can take that profit just because it's paying pretty high, just by selling it. Selling meaning just giving it to the system do the selling. But what we're doing is we're just going to take it because it's got a pretty good profit already. It's up pretty high at the moment, but according to this chart, it could go a bit higher. Let's change the chart to a week. Now a day is much better. I can take that profit now if I wanted to. and shift that profit throughout my my app here to buy more. I can buy, at least two new coins with their $92. Now, once you build up your portfolio, then you learn how to manage it, just like as I've shown you. If I wanted to take this profit just because it's making a profit, I can just come up, click sell, and you sell all your holdings, the whole lot. Just pretend now we're going to sell. Press on sell. Go through the process of selling, asking you a few questions. Okay. If you want to sell the whole lot, then you do so. Now, the point is you're not selling. You're selling it so you can get to move the coins to the next best mover. And that's what you want to do. You want to keep moving your coins. It's called managing, to build up your overall balance each day, like $189 there you've seen. You want to build that up to, say, whatever, double, triple. And you keep doing that just by buying these top gainers that the app is already shown. So you don't really have to think. You just look at it, okay, that's the one I want. I'm going to go with that. And it's also depending on the price of the coins. The price of the coins in the middle of this app in white. So you can choose cheap ones, or you can choose the one that's moving the fastest, depending on how much cash you got in hand to be able to buy them. Now that's the little secret that I wanted to share with you. And of course, once you have done so, the rest you just leave it in your account. That's the bottom button down the bottom there. In your account is your wallet, and just keep an eye on it. So each day, or say for example, you wake up in the morning and you put your trades down, you buy new ones. Right, but at the end of the day, if you see some big good gainers, then you just take the profit and you make your money. And that's how easy it is, just by looking at what the app has already given you. By scrolling down, then you scroll up to the top gainer and you see exactly what's moving for the day. And this is the weekend, and somehow there's people trading, buying cryptocurrencies. So that's a wonderful thing for us if you want to make some money from home and you do a bit of trading. And trading, of course, as I said, you can use just by building a portfolio first. A portfolio is the amount of shares or the amount of coins that you have within your app. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on this cryptocurrency website, and I got others elsewhere. Now the point is, if you can build as much coin ownership you have in here, at least 30 or more, then you got that amount of flexibility to, because the market don't move exactly the same with each coin. Each coin are individual from each other, and they will perform slightly different. Now, if you use a website such as crypto.com market, you'll be able to use their charts also to direct you to choosing some of the best movers. And that's all I've done in this app. It's just choose what the crypto.com has utilized for the fast. Go back to it again. The fast gainers. And I'm just taking a pick from that lot. I don't have to do a lot of researches on it, because the proof is already in the pudding. It's already making money. If you see on the green there, the percentage will show you how much they're already gaining for the day. So you can utilize that as a simple indicator which one or which coins to buy. But anyway, the link for this is down the bottom of this video. And of course, if you see this on YouTube, please subscribe to my YouTube video. My goal is to try and reach 1,000 subscribers. I'm nearly halfway mark there. And of course, also at the same token, I'd like to thank you, all my subscribers, and say thank you so much. You have done me a great favor. I hope I have shared some information to help you also build up your bottom line in your bank account, just by using some of these simple strategy to help you along. So instead of overthinking, because sometimes the market can be overwhelming, too many to look at. That's why I've simplified it. I've just come, and of course, thank God that crypto crypto.com is giving us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10 to choose from every day, from only the best gainers for the day, and you should be able to use. Just buy them. Don't overthink things. Just buy them because that's what's moving for the day. But at the end of the day, or the end of the second day, you'll see your profit, and you simply just take it if you have purchased them, just by selling them. Okay, like I showed you before, if I wanted to sell the biggest mover here because it's up in profit, I just click on it and click on the sell button. There you go. That's how easy it is. Click on the sell button, but make sure, have a look at that chart. If the chart's showing, things that's going to move down, then you want to get rid of that coin as fast as possible so you can take a profit. It is good to take profit. This is why this whole game is all about. It's all about you buying coins, make a profit, sell it, and take your winnings. Now you can take your winning. I wouldn't advise take your winning and spending it. Take your winning and to buy a lot of coins and to grow your total balance. Now the total balance is, you can see on mine up here, 190 27 cents. Now I started this, I think, of only $45, I think it was, and it's just grown. I just started yesterday, actually, this particular strategy. I've always had it, but I never sort of looked at it in given a second thought. But after looking at it a bit further and actually trading on what they're already given, I was quite surprised. I was very surprised. Now, this recommendation that crypto.com has already provided, it works. Just use it. Now, simplify things and you'll be surprised. You'll make a lot of money. Down the bottom of this video, there'll be some link to join crypto.com. And once you join the site, verify your account, and you're ready to do some business. And you probably have to set up your bank account to link with this crypto.com exchange. And this app will help you also manage some of your funds that you move in from your normal bank to bank. Okay? Hope you have a great day. This is Stephen Arford from Arford Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. We'll see you in my next video. We love you. God loves you. Bye for now.